Okay, all this video is for one of my clients who always bought 50 machines for one order, and the head is customized as orange. So the control panel with his logo and the information is on the door, you can see. So as I told all our clients, if you want to customize the machine, you can let us know. We can customize no matter the colors, the control panel. We can put your logo on the control panel or your logo on the body of the machine. So any part we can put your information on it. So you just let us know. Hello.